Hi, children. Welcome you all to the new academic year 2021. This is your Fani Kumar sir, the teacher of English. Happily welcomes you all post-pandemic session, the first video class of our ninth standard. First of all, my hearty congratulations, dear children, for getting promoted to ninth standard. I welcome each one of you to ninth standard. So today onwards, according to the timetable, as you are all aware, our classes will be in the form of short videos. And in every video, children, you have a small assignment. What you have to do? You have to do that in a notebook and you have to show it once you come back to school. So very neatly what you have to do, you have to write down the date and day and you please write down the work, very small work, interesting work. As you know, it's English, we'll enjoy, right? So children, let us start. The very first video, the first unit. I welcome you all to ninth standard. And do you know what is the name of the unit, children? It is called humor. Oh, wonderful, sir. So it started with humor only. That's really wonderful, no? Can anyone tell me what is humor? Children, do you have any idea about humor? Many dialogues you can give about humor. Who doesn't like humor? See the pic there, all of you? Two cats are happily playing chess. Can you imagine two cats playing chess? Is it not humorous or not? Okay? Look there. In Unit 1, we have three segments. The very first one, reading A, the snake and the mirror. And the second one, the duck and the kangaroo. Very beautiful poem. And the third one is Little Bobby. Okay, these three come under the very first unit, humor. So, look to the next pic, children. I asked you what is humor. I think probably you'll be giggling looking at this video, everyone. There you see the beautiful picture. I think everybody knows this story. When we were small, a lion went to a big well in the forest and it's a shadow into the well, full of water. And you see, three small questions are there. If you go through there, what did the lion do on looking at its own reflection? First one, enjoyed its beauty. Second one, felt threatened. Third one, felt angry. I think everybody knows this story. What is the option? Did it really enjoy its beauty? Look to its face. So it felt threatened or angry? Very angry. How come another king to the forest when I am there? I am the king. So how can I expect another king there? What happened, Give your reasons for your option. So what do you have to do? So already assignment has come for you. Humorous assignment. So you have to write your option and you have to give reason. Sir, how much I have to write, sir? This is a big question always. How much you'll write now? This is the first video, no? Write one paragraph. 50 words you write. My reason for the option which I have chosen. Okay? So that is the first small assignment. What was the feeling or the option you are going to have towards this particular question of the first unit? Okay. Have you ever heard or read about a story of a pet or any other animal looking into a mirror? Suppose if you say yes, how did the animal feel? Animals look into the mirror. Sorry, is it possible? Why not it's possible? Do you know during this pandemic, all of you, very recently, one monkey went to the hospital, do you know? It came in all the newspapers. It got hurt and happily went into the hospital, government hospital that too. And it was sitting there. Well, it got a small wound at the one of the legs, and everybody were afraid. The doctor, senior doctor came and tried to go near. He didn't do anything. It showed its hand, it seems. The doctor kept a band-aid, put some ointment and all, band-aid. Happily the monkey went away. See what type of strange things are happening in this Kali Yuga. So imagine if there is an animal or pet looking into the mirror. Just imagine how humorous it would be. So in this first unit, children, we are going to have such wonderful story of a homeopathy doctor, simply called homeopath, okay, in which he describes how a snake came to his house and how it looked into the mirror and what happened next. Wait, I am not telling everything in this first video only, children. Okay, still there, down you see, next pic you see. Now let us come to humor. So this slide you can see, children, there are some synonyms related to humor. Let us go clockwise. We'll start with wit. Wit, comedy, fun, repartee, merriment, joke. Children, I think all of you know about all these words except one word. They are all interrelated to one particular word called humor. People say, no, we should have sense of humor. So there is one particular word, repartee. That's a new word to you. Repartee means a conversation in a comic manner between two people or between two creatures. Animation also sometimes, that is a repartee. So like this, the humor synonyms are divided. Now another small assignment, children. You really love to write, really I'm telling you. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 synonyms are given for humor. Including humor, total 7. What you have to do? With these words, 7 words, including humor word, mind it, you have to write your own sentences. For example, I have very good sense of humor. One sentence over already. But please don't use I, we, you. You know, no, always I'll tell you, take some name here. Okay? So like that, 7 your own sentences you have to write. That is about humor. Now, sir, okay, snake in the mirror, you said, sir. Every time what we'll do? We'll write about, we'll think about the poet or the author. So let us start with the author. Children, you all know, if it is a regular class, I would have started with the poem. But this is video class, no? We'll go in order. So Snake in the Mirror, really beautiful lesson. It was written by Vaikom Muhammad Bashir. Children, he is actually a Keralite from Kerala. It was written in Malayalam and it was translated by V. Abdullah. There you can see. Vaikom Muhammad Bashir. That is the name of the author. And he was born in 1908, and it was on 5th July. He passed away, and 94 actually, right? And who was he? He was a Malayalam fiction writer, and he was a freedom fighter also, novelist and a short story writer. Children, above all these things, he was awarded with one of the nation's noblest, greatest award, the Padma Shri, in 1982. So this is all about, children, the author of The Snake and the Mirror. So in my next video, let us plunge into the summary or the content of this humorous story, Snake and the Mirror. Okay, children? Bye. So, catch you up, all of you, in my next video. Right? Till then, see you.